guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Diamond the Model, if you guys don't know me, and today we're going to be just touching up this hair. As you guys know, I do have this on my head. Excuse me, because I just wanted to be extra today, and it's okay, okay? It's okay. So today we're going to be doing this hair right here, and this is the hair that we're going to be using. And I am so excited because, girl, I wanted to try some color. And as you guys know, in my other video, I was talking about this color and I was looking for an orange. And I literally found me an orange. I don't know if this looks kind of a red to you guys, but it's like a burnt orange. So we're going to be using this ThaModel Dream Waver hair. And we're going to just be putting this in our head. Now, as you guys know, I love my 27 pieces. If you guys do not know that, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. As you guys can see, all the beautiful models are on here. And sorry guys, just to give me an idea of how I want my hair. And girl, we're just gonna go with the flow, okay? We're just gonna go with the flow, okay? So yeah, I'm loving this orange, and this is like a burnt orange. Like, let me show you guys. So this is how it's looking, and we're gonna just be putting this in our head. As you guys know, I'm not gonna use this. So it came with a stocking cap and a shower cap, so that sometime I don't have any stocking caps available at the time, so it's good to have stocking caps in there. So I'll be looking at that type of stuff. If I don't have any stocking caps in there, I'd be like, oh, I'm not gonna get that. But sometimes I do. Like, you know, I'm just a little extra because sometimes, I mean, well, the stocking caps are like $1, but you know, I want the stocking. Girl, I wear 2 stocking caps, and you know, I don't want all of that glue on my head. That's just probably what it is, okay? I don't wear all of that glue on my head, and I know that you guys don't either. I think that I am all around in the video, okay? Let's just get into the video. I really don't want to take this out, but I have to. Okay, maybe I'll just put it back on when I do my hair or something. I've been looking all around for these little things, and I love this. So anyway, anywho, let's get into the video, okay? If you guys have not subscribed, make sure, and also it's a little bit of a noise back in the back, like I'm ready to move, okay? I am ready to move. So we're going to be using this medium right here, and these bundles are really they soft, but they're not as soft as, you know, but I guess when I unloosen them, you know, they'll be really thin. They're shedding, but I mean, that's just probably how most hair is. Most hair is like always shedding. I know that you guys are like, girl, get to the freaking point of the video, okay? But that's just how I am. Like, I'm always like that. Like, when I'm looking at a video, I be like, girl, get to the point of you doing your hair, and you know, just get to the point. But okay, I'm going to get to the point, okay? Sorry if I'm all around and you guys are like, okay, what's what? And oh, this is really pretty on me. This is gonna be cute. Hey now, welcome to my, you know how you get into that mode of you being really excited about something, and you just like, okay, let me not be depressed, let me just shake some off and just sing for a moment of time. So next I'm going to be using this one right here, and this is the larger one. So let's just get this popping, because girl, I'm literally happy about the color that's in my head, girl. It looks so pretty. Like, I love how it's like I'm a redhead girl. Like, you know how you see those people, they are like redhead and they be so pretty. I love that type of look, and I love that hair color. So this is what I want to try out. Sorry guys, this is what I want to try out, and I'm so happy about it. So let's just get this going. And I love this color, and I love this. I love this. So this is my last track that I'm going to be using. I probably just cover my whole head using this whole track. I'm not going to put my I'm not going to put the closure in, so I probably just use this and then just cover it up. I don't know, I really want to show you guys how I cover it up, but I don't know if I'm aiming right, or you know. But this right here is my last thing. Okay guys, so I am done with my look. So now I'm just going to wait, focus. This camera is not focusing right now. I'm trying to see if it's focusing. Y'all see, do y'all see if it's focusing or not? Huh? Okay, so I am done with my look. I'm just going to be styling this up, cutting it and styling. I don't know for sure what type of hair I'm going for, what type of cut I'm going for, but girl, we are going to make this look cute. I really don't want to cut a lot off. As you guys can see, I don't want to cut a lot off. So yeah, I'm just going to, or should I just leave it like this? Because I love this color. I love the color. So girl, we have to make this look nice. This like a summer look. Probably like a spring. Nah. Yeah. A spring. Summer. Winter. Whatever. All the above. That's just probably what it is, okay? You can wear this hair anywhere, okay? So I'm trying to see like what type of hairstyle I'm gonna do. Guys, I hate when I cut hair and it be all over me. So I'm just trying to hurry up and do it and, you know, get it over with, because girl, I don't like it, okay? But oh well, you gotta get it out. Gotta get my hair cut, okay? But I kind of wish I had one of those things to put over me right now, because girl, I don't like hair on me. I love this look. Like it's just nothing else to say about it. Like it's really making me feel like this is not, you know, synthetic. It's not hard. When I first opened the package up, like when I first opened the bundles up, girl, the bundles was really soft and everything. So I'm just like, okay, model did her thing, and yeah, and the bundles was full. So that's what I look and see into all of my bundles. Is the bundles full? Is they thin? And girl, they're full, okay? They're full and they working it, okay? Like I love this. I want to turn around and show you guys the back. Girl, when I cut it, it cut really smooth, and the hair really curled up. So it really styled its own thing. You know what I'm saying? When I was cutting, it was styling. So yeah, that's what I like about that. And it wasn't really stiff. So this hair is not stiff at all. But girl, all the bundles that I used, I only used 2 bundles out of the 3 bundles that I had. I only used 2. Yeah, I used 2, and it really took my whole head. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if you love the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in another video, because I'm ready to show this hair off to the world, okay?